ones that you drill a hole, that goes through a hole. Alright. Thank you.
You want back in the lane or you want me to?
I guess go ahead and take it if you don't mind. It's going to Hart and I hadn't been over there. I guess I could find it.
Okay.
I may be back come Springs Road before you get back. Wow.
You know, you can get a 24-row. Well, I don't know if John Deere makes them, but there's independent companies too.
Make them and fold up.
Yeah. It's like, so basically you have to leave your header and combine in the field all your, I guess that's the way
They got them that fold.
Well, that folds up like that, but they can also fold up.
Yeah. The 16-row Raider over at the Hopkinsville, they sell one that starts with a G, I can tell you that. But it folds up endways. The thing about it is they get so heavy. This one here is heavy on the front of this combine. You know, you can't get too much weight on the front. Right. Keep it all together, make it on the heart.
You have a 30-foot beam runner, right with the auger on it, not a draper.
Yeah, 30 foot. Yours didn't make it, did it? Okay, I thought going hard and keep it all together now. Got 3 more loads. Kind of way I see it. It kills my eye every time you go over there. Check it. Yeah. 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 So that cabin right there, I guess I could be moving, Ray's got to leave in an hour. I could move back down to Gipson Springs Road here, and I'd say in an hour. Oh, I think it will. Well, it gets a lot better. I mean, we're going to need that truck when he gets here, when Greg gets back, I guess. We'll have bad fly.